Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can verify your TikTok account. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And if this video is helpful and useful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. So guys, now let me show you guys how you can do it. The first step you have to take is to open your TikTok app. So let me tap on my TikTok app right away. So guys, once you open up your TikTok, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on your TikTok profile icon. You can see there at the bottom right corner, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys can see this is a new TikTok account. As you can see, I have 0 followers, 0 following and 0 likes. I just opened this TikTok account right away. So guys, for you to verify your TikTok account, you have to verify your email address. So guys, for you to do that, what you have to do now is to tap on the 3 horizontal bar at the top right corner. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on settings and privacy. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, under the settings and privacy, what you have to do now is to tap on the first option, which is account. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, under the account, what you have to do now is to tap on the first option, which is written account information. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, under the account information, you can see there are 2 ways to actually verify your TikTok account. The first one is to use your phone number. The second one is to use your email address. So whichever option that you used in creating your TikTok account, that's the one that you're going to use to verify your TikTok account. So guys, I didn't use my phone number, but I used my email address to create my TikTok account. So for me to verify my TikTok account right now, I have to verify my email. So guys, can see where it's written email. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what is written here. Verify your email address. This email is linked to your account and is only visible to you. Verify it to improve your account safety. So guys, it's actually important for you to verify your email address so your account can be safe and secured so that scammers will not be able to get into your account. So guys, now to verify your email address, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written verify email address. So guys, if you look down there, you can also change your email address if you want, and you can also unlink your email address if you want. So guys, let me verify my email. Let me tap on verify. So guys, now you can see what is written here. Enter email address. Your email address may be used to connect you to people you may know, improve ads and more depending on your settings. So guys, now you can see my email has been automatically added there. If you want to change your email, what you have to do is to tap on where it is written change email address. You can see it down there, the arrow is pointing at it. But guys, that's my correct email. So let me tap on send code. A code will now be sent to my email address. So guys, let me tap on send code. You can see there. So guys, now you can see what is written here. Verify your email. Use the link or enter the code that was sent to your email address. So guys, let me go over to my email now to get the code. Let me get it right away. Let me split my screen. Then let me tap on my Gmail app. So guys, now you can see I've received an email from TikTok. You can see the code there. So let me type it in. So guys, now you can see I've inputted the code. So guys, now you can see email updated. So guys, now you can see what is written here. Your email was added. So if you want trending content, newsletters, promotions, recommendations, and account updates sent to your email, what you have to do now is to tap on get updates. So if you want to get the update from TikTok, tap on get update. So let me tap on get update. Wow guys, you can now see my TikTok account has been verified because I've been able now to verify my email address. You can see it. As you can see there, the red icon, the red notification calling for attention for us to verify our email address is no longer there. So guys, our email address has been verified. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can verify your email address as well as securing your TikTok account. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video like this, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.